Welcome students for the how to face the board exam successfully. All the materials in this session used are specimen only. No original materials of board has been used. Now you are going to get your answer sheet first. So answer sheet हाथ में मिलने के बाद में तुरंत क्या करने का? So पहले check all the papers, all the pages. Okay, this is your specimen paper. So this is page number 1 and page number 2, 3 like that. Then finally page number 20. All the pages are there. Lines are proper. Is it torn anywhere? So you have to check all these details first. Okay. Second one is very important. There is a thread here. Okay. It is stitched one and do not pull the thread. पूरा आ जाएगा फिर. Okay. So don't touch the thread. Now you are waiting for your question paper and you got your question paper. So first thing you have to check all the pages. Second one is you have to write your roll number. There's a column in the first page. So आप क्या करने का? उधर आपका roll number लिखने का. Now before answering the questions, एक बार read करो, understand properly, then you present. क्योंकि कुछ questions in the very first look may misguide you. हम लोग बोर्ड पेपर चेक करने के टाइम आउट ऑफ द 25 पेपर्स एटलीस्ट 5 पेपर्स बार ग्राफ बनाओ ऐसा दिया, इन लोग ने लाइन ग्राफ एकदम नीटली बना के रखा. सो यू रीड द क्वेश्चन, अंडरस्टैंड इट, देन यू आंसर. नाउ दिस इज हाउ योर पेपर गोइंग टू बी. ओके, आपका आंसर शीट का फर्स्ट पेज स्पेसिमेन पेपर ऐसा ही रहने वाले. और इसमें फिलअप करने के टाइम टिल द लास्ट एग्जाम, वेदर मेन शीट या सप्लीमेंट या मैप या ग्राफ, हर बार फिलअप करने के टाइम आपका हॉल टिकट देखकर यू हैव टू फिल ऑल द डिटेल्स, योर सेंटर नंबर, योर रोल नंबर इन डिजिट, योर रोल नंबर इन वर्ड्स, पूरा हॉल टिकट देखकर फिलअप कर दीजिए केयरफुली. क्योंकि मुझे तो हॉल टिकट अपना रोल नंबर पूरा बाय हार्ट हो गया, सो मैं ऐसा ही लिख सकते, ऐसा मेंटालिटी में रहो मत. And your signature. After that, your supervisor's signature. Okay. Now, you have to fill the details of your subject. So here it is. There is a column here. First, in case of English, you should write subject English, paper dash, date, language of answer will be English. If in case of English medium, subject Hindi, paper dash, date, language of answer English in case of English medium. Okay, then Marathi, paper dash, date, English. Mathematics, paper में algebra, date and English. Mathematics paper में geometry, then date, then English. Science and technology paper में 1, date, English. Science and technology paper 2, date, English. Social science paper 1, history and political science. Social science paper 2, geography, date and English. So this is how you have to fill. So here I have taken geography as a specimen. So first social science 2 you have written, then geography, then the particular date and the medium of language of answer is English. Okay. Now you will be given 2 types of stickers. One is the barcode sticker. So here your number is converted into a dummy number and the dummy number is converted into barcode. So paste the barcode sticker carefully. अगर आपको मालूम नहीं या थोड़ा तकलीफ है, call the supervisor, they are ready to help you. ये स्टिकर आपको एक ही मिलेगा per subject. So don't spoil. Okay. Then second type of sticker, that is holograph sticker. So holograph sticker सिर्फ चारों तरफ गम रहेगा, ब्लैक कलर में रहेगा, अंदर गम नहीं रहेगा. So paste it carefully. Okay. Now there is a warning. Don't touch this barcode area by pencil or pen or any other material. Some students, they used to draw the lines or design banate. You should not touch the barcode area. If you do like that, then the reader will read it wrongly. So you should not touch with anything. Okay. Now you are in the first page, page number 1. there is a box given here. It's written question number and in Marathi also प्रश्न क्रमांक ऐसा दिया है. This box must be filled by student in every page with the main question number. Don't write the sub question numbers there, but the main question number. हर box में, हर page में आपने क्या करने का, मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर से इसको फिलअप करने का. इधर लिखा है क्वेश्चन नंबर, फिर भी कोई बच्चों लोग का अंदर क्या लिखते हैं, Q1. Q1 ऑलरेडी लिखा है, you have to write just one like that. Okay, then this is choose the correct option. You can write the heading or fill in the blanks or whatever it may be. Okay. Now is the first question, fill in the blanks. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Fourth is over. Now you have to draw the line, then you have to cancel the unused space. अभी आपको एक डाउट आएगा, क्यों क्वेश्चन टाइटल लिखने का, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, मैच द फॉलोइंग, आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस या गिव रीजन, वो क्यों लिखने का? आपको एक डाउट आएगा, सर वो टाइम वेस्ट है ना. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टीचर्स आपको बोलेगा वो लिखो मत, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं. क्योंकि कभी मैं बहुत सारे टीचर को मिलकर बंबई पूरा जाकर पूछ रहा था, उन लोग के ये प्रॉब्लम फेसिंग करते हैं, सर ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन लिखा हम लोग समझा नहीं, ये गिव रीजन है क्या या शॉर्ट नोट्स है क्या, मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखा नहीं, क्वेश्चन नंबर गलत. सो हम लोग को कंफ्यूजन और इरिटेशन हो रहे. ऐसा अगर आप ऐसा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स या आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस या चूज द राइट ऑप्शन, सो वो लिखेगा तो टीचर्स ऑलवेज विल बी रिमाइंडेड दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे आर करेक्टिंग. सो उन लोग एक अच्छा ग्राउंड मिल जाएगा. सो दैट इज इट इज अ गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट, नॉट वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम. राइट इन शॉर्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, गिव रीजन, आंसर इन डिटेल, मैप रीडिंग, ऐसा शॉर्ट में लिखिए चलेगा, बट लिखिए बाय दैट यू आर ऑलवेज इन अ सेफ प्लेस. Second one is the question number. Many times students are writing the wrong question number. 1, 2, third मालूम नहीं, fourth मालूम है, but they are writing 3. Fourth question का जगह पे 3 ऐसा डालते हैं. So you have to be very careful when you are writing the question number. Another important thing is the question font style. अभी ये जो दिया है वो इंडो न्यूमेरिक का है, कभी रोमन कैप या रोमन स्मॉल या इंग्लिश कैप या इंग्लिश स्मॉल. जो क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो स्टाइल दिया है सेम स्टाइल में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिखने का. सपोज इंडो न्यूमेरिक दिया वो लिखिए, कुछ क्वेश्चन पेपर में रोमन कैप दिया वो लिखिए. डोंट राइट एवरी एग्जाम, सम अदर स्टूडेंट्स दे आर डूइंग एवरी पेपर दे आर राइटिंग द रोमन कैप. नो, according to the subject what is there, it's given in the question paper, that only you have to write. Okay, so please write the correct question फॉन्ट स्टाइल. क्वेश्चन नंबर का फॉन्ट स्टाइल जो है वो फॉलो करो और हेडिंग लिखिए. नाउ व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द fill in the blank, some mistakes you can do that. First one is underlining the wrong place. For example, the first question is most of the Brazil is covered by dash. So you are writing most of the Brazil is covered by highlands and you are underlining Brazil. Okay, so ये पूरा irritate होते हैं चेक करने के टाइम. Second one is underlining on the line. इसके वजह से हम लोग ढूंढना पड़ते, दिखते नहीं, सो इरिटेट होते. थर्ड वन इज अंडरलाइन कोई कोई करते ही नहीं, दैट इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम. फोर्थ वन इज मेकिंग ए बॉक्स. सो वंस आई आस्क ए स्टूडेंट सुपरवाइजिंग, अरे बॉक्स क्यों बनाते हैं सर, अगर आंसर भाग जाएगा तो. सो ऐसा पूरा आप लोग करो मत. एंड अनदर बैड हैबिट आई यूज्ड टू टेल, यू आर राइटिंग हियर आंस 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 आंस. कभी आप लोग छोटा स्टैंडर्ड में था तभी टीचर्स आपको समझाने के लिए, बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन है, ये आंस जो लिखा वो आंसर, ऐसा समझाए आपको. यू आर इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड, मैच्योर्ड पीपल, डोंट राइट आंस. वी नो व्हाट इज द आंसर एंड वी नो हाउ टू करेक्ट दैट. सो दे आर ऑल वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम राइटिंग आंस 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 एंड ऑल. Okay, so see, these small things you have to take care. Now another important thing is all the unused space and pages must be cancelled by the student from left to right. Every page you can notice some of the things I am doing regularly. First one is filling the box with the main question number. Second one is writing the question titles. And third one is cancelling the unused space. Okay, now let's continue. Now this is question page number 2. I'm going to write the question number 2. Question number 2 is match the following in case. Okay, so I have written the match the following. Now you can have a doubt. Sir, पीछे इतना जगह है ना, आप क्यों इधर चालू नहीं किया? Always the new main question number should be started in new page only. Suppose A1 में A choose the right option और B match the following है तो अब B इधर ही शुरू कर सकता था. But here in geography it's a main new unit, that is why I turn the page, I have written in the next page, that is a second. So I have written match the column. It's a good way of presentation. Write the title. It is not a wastage of time, but it's a good investment. Then A, answer. Don't write A, B, because B is options. So you have to write A, then answer. So this is the way. Leave a line. Okay. Now do not draw lines in every, for example, especially objectives में हर आंसर के बाद में लाइन खींचो मत, वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम और पूरा लाइन दिखेगा. Okay. Second one is don't make table. You cannot make table for match the following. Once it is over, please draw a line, then cancel the space with blue pen. Okay. So what I want to say here is do not make any table for the match the following. Some students they are writing like this also, question, answer and option also. You should not write, only question and answers. Okay, now I have cancelled. I have written the main question number in the box and I have cancelled the unused space and page. Now I am going to the next page. So question number 3. Question number 3 can be answered in one sentence or maybe true or false. Okay, so it can be anything, or choose the right option. It can be anything. Now I want to tell you something here. If somebody is asking you the question, should you write the extra questions? I know everything, I want to show everything in the question paper. Some students are like that. The problem is you will try to attempt all the questions including the options, but you may not get the time to finish the original answers. Understood? So in what condition you can write the extra questions? Sir, मुझे confident नहीं था, then you can write. That also continuously. अगर आप बाद में लिखने वाले जगह छोड़कर लिखिए, अगर टाइम नहीं मिलेगा तो वो जगह को कैंसिल करके दे दीजिए, नॉट इन द लास्ट पेज. लेकिन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, मैप रीडिंग, आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड मैप मार्किंग, इसमें ट्राई टू राइट ऑल, बिकॉज इधर आप लोग को ज्यादा गलत करने का चांसेस है. एक में मार्क जाएगा तो भी दूसरा में मार्क मिलने का चांसेस है. सो इसमें आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, पूरा अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सी हियर इज अ ट्रू और फॉल्स. सो फर्स्ट वन, the statement is false, so I mentioned the statement as false, then I have written the right statement. Okay, so that also, if you write only false, then you'll get off mark only if you don't write the statement. So you have to write the statement also. Then the second, third, fourth. Third one is true, so I need not write anything there, just I have to write true. And fourth, now the fourth is over, draw a line and cancel the unused space. Okay, now you are in the fourth question. So immediately you write the box, the main question number. Then there are two, A and B. A is fill information in the map, means map marking. So here I did not write the map question, I have written answered in a separate map sheet, that's it. Don't write the map questions here. Okay, then B, as it is a sub unit of the question, main question number 4, I have started here B. I did not go to the next page. So I have given the title, read the map and answer, or you can write a map reading. Any title you can give, but give the title. Without title, don't attempt, you are in a safe place. Now, so here when you are writing, some students they are writing only the answer. They are losing off mark. The answer must be written in full sentence and please underline the answer. So when we are checking that, our eyes will be attracted towards the underline one in the right answer and it will be easy for checking. Okay, ये पूरा मैं इसके लिए कहता हूं, आपने एक अच्छा वातावरण बनाकर देने का जो चेक करने वाले को, ऐसा. सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, 6, you have to write only 4, but I attempted all as I told, because here हम लोग को गलत करने का chances है, so we don't want to take risk, so attempt all. Then I have drawn the line and I have cancelled the page. Okay, you may have a doubt, sir, cancellation should we do with the pen or pencil? As far as my knowledge, experience is concerned, please cancel anything, one letter ho, yeah, one digit, yeah, one word or one sentence or one answer or one full entire page, cancel with the pen for your safety. Now I am in the question number 5. Immediately I have written question number 5 in the box. Now I have given the question title, that is a give reason, because I want to be in a safe, I want to give a good environment to the character. Now I don't know the question number 1, I don't know, but I know the question number 2. So I have written the question number 2. There are 2 ways of writing give reason. First one is writing the statement first, then you write the answer. Second one is, and after writing all the answers, hence blah blah blah. So that is the, if you ask me which is the best method, I will tell write the statement first. When you write the statement first, you are giving a clear idea to the character that what you are going to write. So first impression you are given that I am going to write this question, so the character will be in aware that what type of question you are written. Now 2-3 warnings I want to give here. The first one is, some students, they have written the point numbers in the left side of the margin. That is dangerous. If you write the point numbers in the left side of the printed margin, then it will be considered as a question number. So make this note carefully. All the question numbers must be written in the right side of the printed margin. I am insisting the word printed margin. Why? So far you have seen my presentation, you must be wondering, sir, इधर क्यों एक ही लाइन है? हम लोग जनरली इधर एक लाइन बनाते हैं, इधर एक लाइन बनाते हैं. टीचर ने बोला as per the board rule you should not make any extra margin. लेकिन आप लोग बनाया, इसके लिए हम लोग को उसके लिए माइनस मार्क नहीं देते. और and it's not a big crime. ऐसा सोचकर हम लोग चेक करते, we just ignore, but your time is wasted. Because you may draw many lines, you will forget the printed margin, because anything will be finalized on the basis of the printed margin. So I have not made any extra margins. So make sure, if you want you can make, it's up to you, but suggestion, don't make. So this is a printed margin, left side is for the question numbers and the right side is for the point numbers. कोई कई बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं, इधर एक लाइन खींचकर इसका अंदर पॉइंट लिखते हैं. इफ यू वांट यू कैन डू, बट नॉट सजेस्टेड. ओके, एंड डोंट राइट एंड्स एंड ऑल, यू जस्ट गो थ्रू, डोंट राइट द एरो मार्क्स. कोई कोई बच्चे लोग ऐसा एरो मार्क डालते हैं, कोई कोई बच्चे लोग ABCD, क्योंकि इफ व्हेन यू राइट द नंबर्स, okay, you are giving a clear idea immediately that how many points you are written. Okay, now another danger. So first danger is writing the point numbers in the left side of margin. Always remember point number must be in the right side. Second warning ये है, कोई कोई बच्चे लोग स्टेटमेंट लिखा, एक लाइन छोड़ दिया, फिर एक पॉइंट लिखा, दूसरा लाइन छोड़ दिया. Leaving the lines between the points of the same answer is wrong. You can leave the lines in mathematical calculations, physics, yeah, chemistry, equations and all. Okay, you can leave the lines while you are writing the letter writing in the languages, you can leave, or you are making the tree diagram and all, you can leave the lines. But when you are attempting question and answer in history or geography and science, do not leave lines between the points. Some students, they are leaving the lines between the subheadings of the same answer. Example, explain the physical divisions of India. So they are written here the physical divisions of India. So here they are writing A, Himalayas. They are explaining in 5 sentences. फिर एक लाइन छोड़ दिया. B, North Indian Plain. 5 lines लिखा. Then C, Peninsular Plateau. That is also wrong. You should not leave the lines between the points of the same answer or between the subheadings of the same answer. You have to keep this in mind. Okay, this heading I told, write the heading first. This is not only for give reason but also of any type of questions. For example, explain the characteristics of Himalaya. Then you write the heading characteristics of Himalaya, then you start writing. or maybe explain the coastal region of Brazil. So you write the coastal region of Brazil, then you start writing. ओके सो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है, कभी आप पहले टाइटल लिखते हैं, टीचर को अच्छी तरह से समझते ये बच्चा कौन सा क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करता है. Okay, now so I have finished my first, I drawn a line, then third one I know the answer. So first I written the statement, then I written I'm going to write the answers. I written the answers. I never wrote ands, or I did not write the point numbers in the left side. So I had to write only 2 questions. So I attempted. Now I have drawn the line, then I have cancelled the unused space. So write and underline the statement before answering it. Second one is mention the point numbers in the right side of the printed margin. And third one is do not leave lines between the points or subheadings. Okay, now I am in the next page. I written 6. There are 2 questions, A and B. A क्या होते हैं? You have to attempt 3 questions and you have to attempt the graph also. So 6 marks. B क्या होते हैं? The graph is given, you have to read the graph, then you have to answer. So ये दोनों में से you have to write any one, not any one. These are that. Okay, you have to write 6A या 6B. बाकी में any 2, any 3. So उसमें से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बेस्ट 2 मार्क्स 3 मार्क्स को सेलेक्ट करके हम लोग एंटर करते हैं. लेकिन इधर what you know the best you attempt first. Okay, because पहला जो मार्क है वही मार्क एंट्री करेगा, क्योंकि these are that, not anyone. If it is anyone, you have attempted both and will choose the best mark. But this is these are that. So if you know the 6A best, you attempt that, or if you know the 6B best, then you attempt that. For your knowledge, I attempted the both to make you understand. So this is 6A. So I have written draw double line. So I have written drawn on a separate graph sheet. I did not write the graph question here. Okay, then I went to the B, the graph reading. So graph reading, there are 3 questions. So first question I answered, this graph is a double line graph, then the second one, then the third one. Okay, and I underlined the answer. By that it will be easy for the corrector. Then I have cancelled the unused space. Now I am in the next page. So as I told you, you have to attempt any one. Okay, 6A or 6B. For your knowledge, I have attempted the both. So 6B, I have written the title, read the graph and answer the following. So these are the questions I answered. Okay, then I have drawn the line, then I have cancelled the unused space. Okay, now I am in the 7th question. Answer in detail ऐसा में heading दिया. That's a way of presentation. The question is about explain the urbanization in India. So I have given the title, question number 1 I don't know. So I have written the second one, urbanization in India. So heading, when you give the heading first, you are making the teacher aware of that what question you are going to answer. Now, आपको याद है stencil लेके जाने का? Okay, if you use your stencil for the 4 mark question, the stencil carries 1 mark. The rest you are going to write for 3 marks. If you don't use the stencil, then all the 4 marks you have to write. Okay, so I had drawn India map, then anything related to the urbanization in India. 2 places you can mark. So I have marked this. Delhi is आपको मालूम है 80% urbanized. Goa is the most urbanized state. So I have drawn both and I given the title. So this is to highlight that. So I have written the index also. Now I have started the answer. So while writing, I had to continue. So I went to the next page. Immediately I wrote the main question number again. Okay. Then I am writing all the things. Try to underline the important keywords. Keywords in the sense not the full sentence, but the words, years or digits or places that you have to underline. Okay. Then you have to draw the line, then cancel the unused space. आपको एक डाउट आ जाएगा, इतना जगह है क्यों दूसरा क्वेश्चन इधर शुरू नहीं किया क्योंकि इसमें मैप नहीं आएगा। सो मैं क्या किया, उधर कैंसिल करके मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में गया। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन मैं 7 डाला। आप लोग नोटिस कर सकते हैं, दिस इज नॉट ओनली फॉर ज्योग्राफी बट एवरी सब्जेक्ट यू हैव टू फिल द बॉक्स विद द मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर। सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट द कोस्ट ऑफ ब्राजील। सो आई हैव रिटन द टाइटल कोस्ट ऑफ ब्राजील and underline, then Brazil का picture बनाया। So anything related to the Brazil's coast. So I have mentioned the North Atlantic coast, then the East coast. Okay, both I have mentioned. I have shown in the index also. Okay, for your knowledge, I have highlighted here. Okay, then I answer the question. Now my question is over here. Okay, my question is over. My answer is over. Now I have cancelled page number 11. Okay, my exam is over now. Now I have to cancel the unused other pages also. So 11th cancel किया मैं, 12th में आया cancel किया, then 13th, then 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20 पूरा cancel किया। नाउ आपका ग्राफ पेपर एंड मैप पेपर, आपका जो ग्राफ शीट है, मैप और ग्राफ, ये दोनों 4 पेज का लीफ है। सो इधर देखिए पेज नंबर 1, दिस इज यू हैव टू फिल द डिटेल्स, वी विल सी इन द पीपीटी आल्सो एंड हियर मैप विल बी देयर। सपोज ये साल ब्राजील है तो ब्राजील रहेगा या इंडिया है तो इंडिया रहेगा, और ये आपका ग्राफ शीट है और ये आपका लास्ट पेज, उसमें आपको ग्राफ का डिटेल लिखने का। सो इट्स ए 4 पेज लीफ। Okay, now so look at here, here you have to fill the details as you filled, it's a specimen only, and first you will fill the supplement number, this is 1, map is the supplement number 1, then the center, then your roll number, hall ticket देकर लिखिए, in digit, in words, your signature, supervisor signature, subject social science 2, then geography, date, then language of answer English, then supplement number 1. Okay, then question paper set you don't have here. Okay, now you are in the उसके बाद में carefully you have to stick the holograph sticker. Now this is how your map going to be, India or Brazil. बच्चों लोग इधर क्या करते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर गलत करते हैं। ये पूरा प्रिंटेड है, क्वेश्चन नंबर इज प्रिंटेड हियर and there is a column for symbol, there is a column for details, then marks, ये पूरा है। लेकिन बच्चों लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर में देकर एक एक जगह फिलअप करते हैं, फिर मन में जो नंबर आते हैं वो नंबर उधर लिखते हैं और इधर भी उसका जो नंबर आते हैं उसमें फिलअप करते हैं। दिस इज रॉन्ग, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर लूजिंग द मार्क। यू हैव टू राइट द करेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर। सो इसे बचाने के लिए एक अच्छा आइडिया है, पहले क्या करने का, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज अबाउट दिग्बोय ऑयल फील्ड। सो दिग्बोय मार्क कर दीजिए, उधर 1 लिखिए, तुरंत सिंबल्स में दिग्बोय लिखकर उधर लिखने के बाद में ही गो टू द सेकंड वन। सो दिस इज द सेकंड वन, दैट्स ईस्ट कोस्टल प्लेन। ईस्ट कोस्टल प्लेन मार्क कर दीजिए, उधर 2 लिखिए, उसके बाद में एग्जैक्टली 2 को बात कॉलम में, 2 नंबर का कॉलम में आप ये लिखिए। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ए टू हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ इंडिया। ओके, देन लिखने के बाद में यू कम टू द 4th वन, देन 5th वन, देन 6th वन। You have to write any 4 only, लेकिन मैं बोला इसमें आपको 6 का 6 पूरा कर दीजिए क्योंकि एक रॉन्ग हो तो भी दूसरा में करेक्ट हो सकते हैं। सो और एक एग्जांपल दिया मैं ब्राजील के लिए भी, सेम वे यू हैव टू मार्क। सो द फर्स्ट वन इज द ब्राजीलिया कैपिटल। सो पहले वो मार्क करो, नंबर लिखिए उधर, सेम इधर सिंबल देकर इधर लिखने के बाद में यू हैव टू गो टू द सेकंड, देन थर्ड, देन फोर्थ, देन फिफ्थ, देन सिक्स्थ। प्लीज अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस हियर। Now graph sheet, the marks are divided in different ways. Title will be given different mark, then scale. If you don't know anything, just you written the title and you are coming out, still you'll get the mark for that. Okay, some weightage is there. And this is of 6A. 6A में 3 questions जो है वो हम लोग already पहले लिखा है, उसका graph है ये। So scale लिखिए, some students 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit, ऐसा नहीं लिखने का, 1 centimeter is equal to 10% or maybe 100 people or 1000 rupees on y axis. So ऐसा mention करने का। Okay, then symbols, here 2 factors are there, India and Brazil, so you have to give a different symbol for India and different symbol for Brazil. It's a line graph, so then you have to make the x axis, then y axis, then do all these things. Now your graph is perfect. Okay, and पीछे आप क्या करने का, ये जगह पे आपका ग्राफ क्वेश्चन का ये लिखने का है. Okay, now cancel the unused space. Now some students, they used to write any comments and at the end, best of luck. Don't write such kind of comments. Okay, now you are coming again to the page number 1. Okay, you have to mention the number of supplements you have written here. So there is a column for that. It is printed 1 plus खाली जगह है और is equal to दिया, और खाली जगह पे आप क्या करने का, 1 map and graph, they are considered as the 1 supplement. So 1 लिखने का, then you have to write 2. Okay, so this is your last thing you are doing. And इसके बाद में how to tie the paper. So generally students क्या करते हैं, उन लोग ने ऐसा टाइट करके 1 2 3 ऐसा टाइट करते हैं, एंड आउट ऑफ द 25 पेपर्स एटलीस्ट 2-3 पेपर्स वापस लूज होता ही है. सो द बेस्ट वे टू टाई योर पेपर इज द रिप नॉट. मतलब सुई में धागा डालने के बाद में आप ऐसा रख के एक ट्विस्ट करते, दैट इज द बेस्ट नॉट. ओके, एक बार आप टाइट किया, यू कैन प्रैक्टिस एट होम. ओके, ऐसा रख के ऐसा खींचेगा तो एक नाट आते. एक बार टाइट किया, नोबडी कैन ओपन, प्लस योर पेपर कैन बी ओपन वाइड. कुछ अगर आप ऐसा टाइट बांधा, अंदर क्या है मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. इसलिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये दिस टाइप ऑफ नॉट यू कैन टाई, so it won't be untied at all. Okay, now very important thing, sometimes you may not knowing any answer, but the thing is that don't leave any answer. अगर आपको बिल्कुल मालूम नहीं तो भी उसको छोड़ने का नहीं. कम से कम क्वेश्चन नंबर और क्वेश्चन लिखो और कुछ तो लिख कर आओ, क्योंकि हम लोग एक मौका देखते हैं, किधर भी एक बच्चों को आधा मार्क ज्यादा दे सकते हैं. क्या अगर आप बिल्कुल छोड़कर आया, you're not going to get any mark, especially objectives, already options है उधर. Thank you for watching. I think this is very useful for you.
IQB for Standard 10th is now available in English, Marathi and semi-English medium. So rush to your nearest bookstore now or order online. तो आज ही खरीदिए आपका अपना IQB और SSC को बनाएं एकदम टेंशन फ्री.